On the shores of the Pacific Ocean near Kailua-Kona, Hawaii, more than 100 supporters, researchers, volunteers, and community members came together to celebrate the protection of one of the world's rarest marine mammals, the Hawaiian monk seal. There are only an estimated 1,100 monk seals alive today, with the population dropping about 4% a year.
Today is a momentous day for the Marine Mammal Center and for the Hawaiian monk seal. We are celebrating the building of a hospital to save this species.
And we're really excited about this new hospital. It's going to usher in a new era for monk seal conservation, which is critically important because monk seals are so critically endangered.
Hawaiian cultural practitioner Danny Akaka Jr., along with his wife and daughter, performed a blessing on the $3.2 million facility. They also helped name the hospital Kai Ola, which means the healing sea. The Akakas led the group through the hospital grounds, which consists of 4 pools, a food preparation area, a surgical suite, and facilities that allow volunteers and staff to remotely view the animals. This is important so the curious animals do not become habituated to humans. Jeff Boehm kicked off the festivities with a story about the first 4 patients who were treated at the hospital.
Right now, as I speak, there is a vessel, a NOAA vessel, that is steaming northwest from Hawaii Island on its way up to the northwest Hawaiian Islands. On that vessel, in addition to an able crew, are 4 Hawaiian monk seal pups and two pups, 2 yearlings, that are fat and sassy and ready to go home.
So one of the main focuses of this new conservation project with Kai Ola is to bring young, hungry, emaciated seals over to the hospital, help give them kind of a head start, get them in better body condition, and then put them back where we found them, and hopefully have them survive for many years to come.
The Marine Mammal Center chose this location for 2 primary reasons.
NOAA, the Natural Energy Lab, Hawaii Authority, is built around its proximity to deep, cool ocean water that is pooled up into the facility for multiple purposes. That purpose for us is to house our animals, to fill our pools with high-quality, clean water for them. We're also immediately adjacent to the international airport, which allows us to be able to transport animals in and out of this area to anywhere within the Northwest Islands.
Like other programs at the Marine Mammal Center, Kai Ola will not only care for sick animals, but will also conduct scientific research, educate the public about protecting marine animals, and about becoming good stewards of the environment. A largely volunteer staff will run the operation, which will be funded primarily through donations.
This is really taking us to a whole new era of emergency response, making sure that animals can survive into the next year, the next decade, and hopefully the next century. So this is a really exciting time for monk seals, and we're grateful to the Marine Mammal Center for helping make sure that this happens.
We have the resources to be able to make a difference with this species, and we certainly have the commitment and the desire and the passion. We have a chance to make a difference with this one.